Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Ulrike Kreiser asked me to say a word at the GS1 conference in my capacity of member of the IMDRF Management Committee, the recently created International Medical Device Regulators Forum, currently chaired by the European Commission, the DG, Director General for Health and Consumers, and next year this forum will be chaired by the US FDA and then by Japan in 2015. The ultimate goal of the UDI work group is to produce an international standard, if you wish, that could be implemented in the same way without regional divergence in the different jurisdictions in the world. This is very important for the industry, who will not have to register and to comply with a different regulatory system worldwide concerning the UDI, but also for the regulators. It will be a big asset for the traceability afterwards of the device on the market. UDI work groups already resolved some important issues concerning the labeling and the marking, and also the core data elements of the database. However, there are a lot of challenges ahead. One of them is the interconnection of the databases, the regional databases. It's very important that the industry do not have to register its UDI elements in the different databases. We will need to interconnect the databases. Already individually to build a database, it's a challenge, but then to have a network of databases worldwide is an even bigger challenge. Since its inception 18 months ago, the UDI working group met 4 times. It is composed of circa 20 participants, representing a fair coverage of regulators and industry stakeholders of America, Asia and Europe. On boards are Brazil, Canada, China, Japan, the EU and the US, but also representatives of the Asian Harmonization Working Party, multilateral cooperation of Asian countries. At the last meeting, on September 3 and 4th in Washington, D.C., we finalized the draft guidance proposal. This proposal was sent to the IMDRF Management Committee, which will meet in November 12th and to 14th in Brussels, Belgium. I can now just hope that the UDI guidance will be among the first deliverables of the IMDRF. This is urgently needed in order to send a signal to all jurisdictions worldwide which plan to implement a UDI system. It's very important that we have harmonized regulation. Today, a global industry needs global standards like GS1, but also a global regulatory approach on traceability. And traceability for patient safety is a key global challenge, and we hope that we contribute to ensure this kind of international traceability with the UDI system we defined in IMDRF. It would be disastrous for industry to have to comply with different UDI systems, but also for regulators. It would be so much more difficult to develop an international traceability and also strategies without an internationally agreed UDI system and standards. So I would like to invite you to look at the imdrf.org website. Thank you for your attention.